Hi everyone, this is Anubhav, and today with us we are having the new Amazon Echo Dot third gen smart speakers. So let's get started. Started and let's do the unboxing for this. So I actually got this device for a price of around 2700 through the Amazon sale. So it is actually priced at 4500 rupees. But with the sale going on, I was able to get it for as low as 3000, and then offers I was actually able to get it for 2800 rupees. So this is a pull tab. So we'll put it out. Let's see how's the device like. Nice packing. You get the Amazon smile logo. See, this is a new device. So it's, oh man, it's good. It's good. Just with the touch of it, you are actually getting to know that it's a premium device. The material use is really good. What else do we have in the box? We have some paperwork. Here are some manuals. We'll keep it aside. Things to try with the Eco. We'll definitely do it. And some warranty booklet. So 3 paperwork booklets we are having. And apart from that, we must be having the charging cable. Yeah. So this is the 13.5 volt DC adapter. One thing is that they are actually using a proprietary cable over here. This is not your standard USB cable, so you need this to have it with you. And like as you can see, the cable is not detachable. So basically, anything happens to the wire, you actually have to change the whole charging unit. So let's see. Okay, we'll keep it aside. Coming to the device. And actually, guys, it feels really premium. It's slightly heavy. I have actually used the Echo Dot second generation. It's heavier than that. To be precise, I think this weighs somewhere around 300 grams, and the second gen was, I think, 150 or 160 grams. So if you can see, this is a fabric finish that they have given, and what Amazon says it's 70% louder than the second generation of Eco. So we have 2 points over here. One is actually the proprietary cable, the one that will power up your device, and the other is a 3.5 jack. So if you are having an aux cable, you can connect it to your any device, phone, iPad, anything, and it can directly play uh, the music over there. Coming to the base of it, it's actually got a rubber texture here, so it shouldn't be slipping easily out of your tables. As it does, it won't be slipping because, but yeah. So it's actually providing a lot of grip. So we have some certifications pointed over here, and we are having the Amazon logo. So coming to the top of the device, we are having 4 far field microphones. So what Amazon says is the Alexa sound detection is actually really better in this model. The previous Echo Dot was actually using 7 far field mics, and they have reduced it to 4. I am actually doubtful how this is going to be better. Might be the microphones are powerful, so we'll have to see. Other than that, we are having 4 controls. So one is the volume up and volume down buttons, one is your mute button, and one is your on and off button. So if you can see around the edges, these edges are actually this is the lighting over here. So if your Alexa is on mute, say, so this whole ring will light up as a red color. If you are making the volume up and down, it'll show as a bar and it'll go with the green audio. And if Alexa is listening to you, so it'll become blue in color. So it's actually around the edges. So even if you have kept it like this, you'll be able to see the colors, or if you have kept it just like this, you'll again be able to see. So this, I think, it's pretty nice. So yeah, that's it for the reviews, guy. I'll actually be uploading another video where we'll be having an in-depth analysis of how it's working, how it's the audio quality, and I'll be comparing it to the JBL Go, because these are the devices that are almost in the similar price range. So the JBL Go sells at around 1800 rupees in India, and this thing is available for 2800. So I think they actually are lying in the same price bracket. So I'll doing a audio comparison with that also. Thanks for watching, guys.